Just you said how much give him options of shake, and we will accept. No problem, sir. $100 is be good.
Okay. Yeah, to me could be good. To beginning, it could be good.
Okay, okay, sir. So then our budget is fixed, and you be happy, and we will be happy. No problem. So our budget is fixed $100. Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Are you here, sir?
Yes, I am here. I listen to you.
Okay, thank you so much. And if you have any problem,
No,
then
I have no
you
problem. I am only trying to make work my video camera,
yes,
but it
that's my
doesn't
good.
work very well. I don't know why, but anyhow, I listen to you. So if you can start, I can listen to you.
Okay, thank you so much. So at first, I introduce about ourselves. We are digital marketing agency. Okay, I'm Freelancer Ashik and Shozib Sheikh. He is my teammate, and we work together. Okay,
Mhm.
okay,
Yes.
okay. Thank you so much. And this is our freelancing group, also digital marketing group. That's name be freelancing
Yeah.
support
I
by
see.
Freelancer Ashik. I hope you read my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Before 1 days, Joseph he completed another bar meeting, and he was living in Germany. And you come on some down, then you got Joseph he completed another bar meeting, and I
Mhm.
attend this meeting. Okay, and
Okay.
you research about us, then you get our previous client use symbol.
Mhm.
Okay,
Yes. Yes. Okay. Go
okay,
ahead.
okay. I hope you understand something about
Yeah,
us.
I understand. I
Okay.
understand. You can go ahead.
Okay. We will expert in book promotion service specialist Joseph Sheikh. He all kind of job provide just one service that's named book promotion. Okay. So
Hmm.
I know you already getting experience about Joseph Sheikh because you already were on Fiverr, your first project. I know that's it. Where you promote your book, just you name semi.
Yeah. Yeah. This is the idea. This is the idea.
Yeah, no, no. Just where are you want to promote your book?
I would
Like,
like to promote. By now I am promoting my book on using via TikTok,
okay.
and then I guess I will use also Meta, also Facebook.
Should we check? Yes, it's coming. Okay. And yes, sir, just you start.
Yes, I am here.
Yes. Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, continue, please.
Okay. So at
Okay.
first, we promote your book on your targeted area, and you
Mm.
say before meeting, you we use by LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. Also, just you told me.
I guess that with Facebook and Instagram, I have just a freelancer that is helping me with this matter. So I would be more interested to all the socials, for example, LinkedIn, for example, Twitter, for example, Quora, for example, Pinterest. I would like to have a support also with this social. So my first issue is to reach an audience of quality, a quality audience, an audience of people that could be interested to a product like mine. This is my first issue,
Okay.
as I write in my email.
Okay.
Second, so if you can advertise
Okay. Just for Pinterest and another.
other social.
Okay. Another social like the in Instagram.
For Instagram, I don't know. For Instagram, I guess I will get a promotion with the freelancer I just work. For Instagram, all is in order for me at the moment. I guess we can start with Pinterest.
Okay, I understand, sir. So at first, we promote your book on Pinterest, and you depend us. We will promote your book at first Pinterest. It's our first priority, and secondly, we will promote under social media. That's the good result for you. You
Yeah,
just
this could be,
depend us.
yes, yes, I will be really interested to a promotion also in some website, like, for example, The Good Reader, or a website that talk about literature. This could be really interesting to me.
Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Just depend us. At first, we promote your book on a targeted area and audience, and we'll create a very well description, and we use this description in add your website. Then after, who will interested, who buy your book, and lastly they are click on buy link and buy your book. Okay, so and secondly,
Yeah.
we will run ads it's after when completed this first project. Okay, sir.
Okay, yes, I agree.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, our so just you say how give me search for your this project.
Search.
Search how,
Mm,
yes. Actually, Sujip said he will do your work and we work together. No problem. Just you say how much you give me. Also give him Sujip Sheikh, and we will do your project without marketplace. Okay, sir. That's be good for us.
okay, okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. Yes,
Okay, sir.
yes, yes. Okay.
So how much give this project? Just you say no problem.
Mm, yeah, to me, I have some money. I have a good budget to spend. So, but I would like to understand if you can send to me also an economical offer
Yes.
to maybe give an idea of how much we are talking about.
Yes, no problem. Just, sir, you depend us and this project, you get 100% your expected result before first project. Okay, you get this project from 100% effective result. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Just you said how much give him of Shazib Sheikh, and we will accept. No problem, sir. $100 is be good.
okay. Yeah, to me could be good. To beginning, it could be good.
Okay, okay, sir. So then our budget is fixed and you be happy and we will be happy, no problem. So our budget is fixed $100. Okay, sir.
Yes, okay.
Okay, sir. So you will pay on PayPal, Payoneer, and bank.
Mm, I don't like very much PayPal. I can pay using a bank account. Like how you want. How you want. You can tell me how you prefer. I prefer like a bank transfer. To me, the bank transfer is the easier way, but it's up to you.
Okay, sir. So
For example, I pay my freelancer that follow me on TikTok. I pay it via Wise. Okay.
okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
So
Thank you. Bye.
bye, bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, bye, sir.
Masih baik.
I'm Shazib Berwal.